What's up guys, Alex over here. Welcome back to another quick video. This is another Audi video. I just got this LED interior light kit for my Audi and I'm gonna show you what it looks like before this swap and also what it looks like after I swap this. So stay tuned. I'll leave affiliates in the description below. This was only like $10-14, something like that. And I have used this in the past on my other vehicles, on the Lancer and the Ram, and they truly do an amazing transformation. Stay tuned, let me show you the car. So this is what it currently looks like. It's very yellowish, not too much light on it, and the back side as well. And supposedly has everything to change the interior lights as well as the license plate and the inside of the trunk. However, I think the license plate has already been changed, but the trunk is still very yellow. So I'm gonna swap this up and show you the end result. Now do keep in mind that you can buy this for almost any vehicle out there. So just go to the Amazon link and then search the one for your vehicle if you don't have an Audi. But they really do make a huge difference. Give me a few minutes, I'll swap this up. You don't have to wait, and then I'll show you the transformation. See you in a little bit. And this is how they look after. So the big difference. So much better. And also on the trunk area, big difference, way better difference. No more yellow, cool white or daylight, whatever that is, but it looks a whole lot better. So yeah, check the link in the description. And again, it's not necessarily just for Audi, because I have it on all my cars and they do a great difference. You know, that's it for this one, and let's ride.